Guys, what's up? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. In case it's your very first time here, welcome. My name is Miss Candy JB, and kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a like, leave a comment, and let me know what you think about my videos. So I'm just gonna jump straight into the video. As you can see, I'm brushing up my eyebrows, hair, and before you fill in your eyebrows, you gotta make sure that your eyebrows are really cleaned up real nice. So I'm using I'll be using the eye pencil Davis. I'm gonna be using it to draw my eyebrows. And to be honest, I got this at the local shop in the CBD for only 50 Kenyan shillings, 50 bob, 50 shillings. I know if you go to Dubois, you can get it at 30 shillings. So I didn't have time to go to Dubois, and my pencil was out. So I just got, rush hour. Yeah. So I'll be using the eye pencil in the shade number 18, the brown. I don't like my eyebrows very dark, so I like them to appear natural, to complement my skin complexion, my skin complexion, at least, Yes, so it's just a matter of filling it in. I'll be using it to outline the shape of my brows, and just to put it out there. The color of the pencil is totally up to you, up to your preference, you're the boss, and as you can see, I like taking my sweet time doing the eyebrows. For if you rush it, it will definitely reflect on the eyebrows. You'll be having rushed eyebrows on your face, and that is not a good look. Trust me. Trust you me. Yeah. So that is how I'm looking. So I did the other side of camera. Yeah, my phone was running low on battery, so now I'll be back. I'm filling in the other side, just filling in the spaces that are with no hair. Yes, at least to give it that natural look. As you can see, I've already outlined my shape. That is the shape I'll be going for. So I'm filling it in before we go in with our concealer. So as you can see, the shade is not that dark. That is brown, light brown. So that is the shade that I was going for. Yeah. So next, I'm gonna be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So for Pro Concealers, I'll advise that you take a shade uh that is 2 shades lighter than your skin complexion, and I'll also be using my angled brush to help with the concealing of my eyebrows. So just use minimal product. Do not go in. Do not be generous with the product. Do not be generous with the concealer. Take little by little, gentle. This is the eyebrow. Perfection. You know, we gotta do it to perfection. And since it's a beginner tutorial, just take it easy, go slow, take products kidogo kidogo. Yes, as you conceal, as you cut, as you clean up the brow to the shape that you desire. How, if you want it thick, you want it thin, you know, it's totally up to you. So the product that you'll be using will really determine the shape of the eyebrows. So if you go all in with lots of the product, it's gonna be difficult for you to blend in, mostly if it's your first time. This is a beginner tutorial, so just take it easy, take your time, use minimal products. Yes, and just take your time to clean up the eyebrows to the shape that you desire. So on top of my eyebrow, I normally prefer using my foundation because I do not like using the concealer since that my forehead, it's not same to my lower part of my face. So I'm using my foundation to clean up the upper part of my eyebrow. So it's totally up to you, and but in my opinion, I would advise that you use the foundation to clean up the top part of your eyebrows. I'm using this small blending brush. I'm just gonna go in and blend in the concealer and the foundation, and I'm just going to take my time to ensure everything, everything is blending in right. I want everything to be blended in the correct way, you know. That's basically it for this video. These are the finished brows, and I hope you liked this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Mwah. Love y'all.